Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change this big lens or any lens on your Canon cameras. Currently, I'm using a Canon 80D and most of the cameras have similar function. So in order to do that, all you see is an option on the left side. This is a button which has a white tick on it. Just click on that button. As you click on it, this will let it loose itself. You're going to slightly slide it on the right side and you can feel it. It's already like this. So this is very much easy to remove, and if you're going to put a new lens, just gonna place it on the white line. Make sure this white button matches this white button. As you, again, when you are going to insert it, click on this, click on the button and put it on the white spot and just slide it down a bit and release the button and until you hear a tick, which means it is done. Let me show you this. Did you hear that? So that tick is important which means it's locked and you can see it's not movable. So that's all on how to change a lens in case if you want to. So that's it on this video. If you think you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.